melting glaciers and ice caps. When several meteorological episodes occur simultaneously, this triggers episodes of coastal flooding. With this simulation, you can test the increase of the sea level and the different solutions to protect homes from coastal flooding. In front of you, there are three types of seashores that are commonly found on the French coastline. On the left, homes are protected by a seawall and a road. In the middle, they are separated from the seashore by marshland. On the right, the houses are protected by a strip of dunes. Here, the weather is calm and sunny. There's a light 15 kilometers, that's 10 miles an hour breeze, an average tidal coefficient at high tide, and high atmospheric pressure.